What do you need? When we left off, we had finished the kitchen floor tile, paving the way, if you will, for installing the appliances.
I'm gonna lift up the feet in the back.
Okay.
Should maybe come this way a little.
All right. And getting us even closer to a fully functional kitchen.
Got nothing here, so that's good.
Awesome.
I think we're ready to rock.
Okay.
I got no weeds right here. Come on, go outside. Not like on. Right, for some house. It's all lifted up again on us.
All right, so you're going to drag the rug?
I think so.
Okay.
Twisting. Hold on.
Okay. You must be pushing harder than I am.
That was miserable.
You know, we thought about it, we probably shouldn't have had it on the backer.
Oh yeah.
It's grippy.
God, we're fucking morons.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready.
Just don't knock it over on me, I'm ready. Okay, break. Woo! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't see, so I hope you can.
Okay, let's pause.
Okay.
Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, start.
Oh,
Woo! What a concept. Refrigerator in the kitchen.
in the kitchen. Moment of truth.
Okay.
Got no water leaks here. You good?
Here, add some.
Okay, I'm worried that
Do we need to do our little bump out thing first?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
There's 2 centers of them right here.
Uh-huh.
Nothing nowhere else, I don't think. Okay.
Okay.
Wrong.
Oh no.
You shouldn't have put your finger in
I
that.
wasn't even putting pressure. It's just like touching it.
Don't touch it. Can you have that pencil? Waller.
Waller.
I think I might be able to push it in.
Cram it in, Bamalam.
Oh
my god. Oh, honey. The Butterfingers this morning. I'm gonna be able to get in there, you?
Screws on the side. It's getting me.
Solid.
There, makes me feel better.
Yeah, nice.
That thing ain't going anywhere.
I ain't going nowhere. Make sure the arrow is going towards the wall. Up, and that this line right here matches this line right here.
And over. Yeah?
Yeah.
You know what I want to do? I think I'm going to use a small drill.
Okay.
Put a hole in there, then go from the top down.
Okay.
And, oh, I'm almost.
Yeah. Nice and clean. Easy peasy.
We have strong drill.
Tear it down. I hope we don't need it again. Because we're gonna both pick it up and put it on the rear tabs. And while I'm supporting it,
I'll screw it.
you're gonna have to hop up there and put those guys in there.
Oh my God. Sit here for a second.
Okay. Nice.
Pass that. This doesn't fall back out. I see what they say. 2 people. Yep. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Okay.
That's gonna tip the front down and the back up. And then we're gonna tip it up. So it's
Gotta go up more.
what is the problem? I think we're in front of it, not on it. We're not hooked. There we go. Now I feel like we're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Yep. But why is it tipping down like this?
Record.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go.
There we go.
You good?
Yep.
We are on. Sweet.
Alright, now I gotta rotate.
Oh God, careful. We're ripping the rug.
Oh no. On the rug? Yep. Align that a little better.
Okay, now if we can slide it back again. One more. Can you hand me those pliers?
Know which ones you want? Both. Special goop.
Wipe this just to make sure everything's kind of clean so I can see if any stuff is coming out, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be coming on. I don't see any. Do you?
I do not. Do you want to recheck your wall connection too?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
See no bubbles.
Hold on. Can you hear any? No. Nope. Great.
I don't smell any either. You would smell it.
Mm-hmm. Cool. And the other connection on the other side of the yellow handle?
Doesn't look like it.
Yep, I think we're good. Sweet. And I did order 2 fractional ones still, so we'll have 4 tape measures, which hopefully ought to do it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 appliances now.
Nothing to grab on this side. Okay, well, let's pick it up from the bottom. It's super light. You good?
Nope.
You let me know when?
Okay, now I am.
This. Do not undo it. Let's look like this. And then take these clips off for the internet. Like that. And it just sits down here like so. Very gentile.
That's a female. That's a female. Oh, okay. Take that capper thing off. Okay.
Oh God, thank God you have me.
All right.
Jeez. I'm pretty sure I'm not strong enough to get it super tight. So. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It should go in here like that. There. Squish it. Yeah. This thing's supposed to go in here to seat on that.
Okay.
Get it through that wall-madalmal thing.
All right.
Did you get that up?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay.
It has pushing that plastic tab down to release it.
I did.
But I see it's also, this is clipped down, which makes me think it slides. It doesn't flip.
I would have never got that. Can you get my reading glasses?
Yeah.
See, it just pushes it out.
Yeah, it does have the ground wire under the washer. Yeah, that might help. See, it's under the washer.
These wires are attached in here, so you can only go this far.
Oh, hold on.
No, I'm not doing that.
Okay, do you want me to try and mess with it?
All right, you try it. Oh, I nailed it. You nailed it. Yep, heard it.
Yep. Cool.
Now I can put it back together.
All right. All right.
I'm not gonna hit anything, am I?
No, you're pretty far away.
God damn it! Hot!
I think the
Whoa!
yeah, it's like I think the door is too variable. Rack might be too.
All right, so it looks like it is level.
We can't hook up the dishwasher until the sink and disposal are in, and that will be after the counters are in. But at least we can cook again. And we don't have to go to the living room to get to the fridge. With the cabinets and appliances out of the living room, we can actually start using it as one. Including the couch that has been sitting here in boxes for 3 months now. In the kitchen, we just need some counters, which will be in the next episode.